Studies show that people who live with multiple fellows are often alone and depressed. The two most effective treatments for battling depression are exercise and spending time with pets. Listening to 5 to 10 songs a day can improve memory, strengthen the immune system, and reduce depression risk by 80%. Writing down negative thoughts and tossing them in the trash can is a psychological trick that can improve your mood. Depression affects all people, regardless of age, geographic location, demographic, or social position.